Good morning, everyone. My name is Tairu Wada, and you are welcome to Learning and Earning series with Tairu Boost IQ. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Welcome to Multiplication Tricks with Tairu Boost IQ, Part 1, and we are going to look at how to multiply 2 digits by 1 digit using normal multiplication and the trick part. So we are going to multiply 34 multiplied by 2. 34 times 2. So here now we're going to have 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times 3 is 6. Now let's look at the trick part now. Here we have 3 as the first numbers. So we're going to have 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Then the second number is 4. Then below it we are going to have 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, then 4. Then we are multiplying by 2, so we are going to cross 2 lines, which is 1, 2, and we are going to count the meeting point, which we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have our 8. Then we count this side too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have our 6. It's still 68. 68. They are the same. Then look at the second example. When we are multiplying 40 multiplied by 3, we have our 4 here, we have our 0. So we have our 3. 3 times 0 is 0. And 3 times 4 is 12. That is 120. The trick part. Here is 4. So we are going to have 4 lines first. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Since this place is 0, below it we are going to have 0, 0, 0. We cross it. And that 0 is going to be our first answer. And if the 0 is 2, we are going to have 2, 0. So multiply by 3. So we are going to have 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. So we are going to count the points now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So since this place is 0, we are going to write 0 first. And this place is 12. We now write our 12. If the 0 is 2, like 400 times 3, so we are going to write 2, 0 first. So the answer is now 120. We pick the first 0, we count this meeting point, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And it still gives us 120, 120. The last example here is when we are multiplying 22 multiplied by 4. So we have 22. We have our 4. Then 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Here we have 2 numbers. So we are going to have 2 lines. 1, then 2. Then the second number is also 2. We are going to have 1, then 2. It's multiplied by 4. So we are going to cross 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to count the points now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We write down the 8. The upper one also we are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We add our 8, which is still 88, 88. And this is the trick and the normal method of multiplying 2 digits by 1 digit. Subscribe to this channel for more multiplication tricks like this. It helps our younger one in the primary section, and also it helps us as a parent or guardians to teach our younger one how to multiply fast. Thank you. Subscribe to this channel for more tricks like this.